What's going on, guys? So in one of the previous videos we posted, we had a question on where we store like our wheelbarrows, pitchforks, rakes, shovels, things like that. So on our property there's an old shed that came with it that isn't worth it at all to fix it up, but it keeps things out of the weather. So I'm going to show you guys that real quick. So back here we have this table here is where we used to sharpen all of our blades before we got the Magnum-matic. Just power through the garage and then blades. I still use this just for, you know, quick maintenance or whatever outdoors, but it's falling apart. Used to be inside, was outside. There's a vise there, a few things there, but it's not really, this is not used anymore. But I'll show you this shed right here. So this came with our property and super old. I buttoned it up a little bit, like in holes and stuff, but I'm gonna sand this down and paint it over the summer. But I kind of like to keep it blended in with the woods, just, you know, it's kind of a sore sight or sore eyesight. But so in here, guys, let me go over this real quick. So in the summer, this thing's partially emptied. There's rakes, pitchforks, shovels, snow shovels, cedars, salters, everything's back here, spare wood, like bags I keep in here, stuff that I don't want to keep outside all winter long. Like, guys, these rakes and stuff that can stay on the trucks during the season, you know, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 months out of the year. I'm not going to move rakes every morning from truck to truck or trailer to trailer. I mean, each truck and trailer has rakes. I'm not going to take all this stuff out every day. But yeah, like the ladder stays in here, a couple of the backup baggers, backup tools. So that's what this is in here. It's somewhat organized enough to where you know where it's at. Like, it's not all in a pile. It's sort of, like I said, shovels, that, rakes, that bag, extra gas cans. Stuff that's going to get away in the shop, but stuff that can stay out of sight, you know, but you know where to get it. Back here we have some broken wheelbarrows, broken buckets, things I gotta work on, which is fine, a broken tarp. Over here is where we store all of our wheelbarrows and ladders. Let me show you this real quick. And this video is mainly like outdoor storage, I guess you'd say. So underneath these tarps are all of our wheelbarrows. On this wall here is all of our ladders. Let me show you kind of better view. So again, there's more underneath there, but during the busy season, all of our wheelbarrows stay against the side here, and we have our arborist ladder there, our gutter ladder there, and we also have an A-frame that goes up there. Some of the stuff stays on the side here. Like I said, broken stuff gets stored over here, and this whole like back area is kind of like extra supplies, you know, like there's some brown mulch here, black mulch here, kind of separated like that, you know. Again, guys, you do what you can with what you can do. Just keeping things organized as best as you can. Like I said, I'm not going to put ladders on the truck when they're not used every week, and I'm not going to put them in the garage where they're in the way all the time. So just bolted heavy-duty hooks on the side of this side of our shop here, ladders, wheelbarrows against, and then all the broken wheelbarrows will kind of, anything sort of kind of broken goes over here, and I get to it eventually. But this whole area is usually cleared out, and we're getting stuff all the way back here. Got to work on that over the winter. And then, like I said, guys, like we got a hand truck here, a few things in here. You know, that it was just a question we had in our last video, and that's kind of what we do and where we store our tools. Listen, when you're starting out, you do what you can with what you got, and I get that. You know, you got to leave stuff outside in an open trailer. You got to do all that, but that's kind of like, I mean, you know, everyone, especially myself, started out in something much smaller than this. But it kind of came with the property, like I said, so obviously I'm going to utilize it as best as I can without dumping money into something like this. But again, I'm going to sand it down, paint it up over the winter, and it'll look good. But that's that, guys. Some type of like dry storage, I guess you'd say. That's what I call it. Back here, there's like just kind of mainly spare stuff during the season, but in the winter I'm going to keep that kind of stuff in there to get it out of the weather. Then back here we have some, you know, milk crates stacked up, extra supplies, all kinds of stuff, guys. When your business grows, you're going to acquire more stuff, so that's one thing that comes with it. So like I said, I'm going to utilize it if I need it. But wheelbarrows, obviously there's no room in there for them, and then obviously there's no room in the shop for them, so I'm gonna just cover them up with tarps. You know, yes, you can leave this stuff out year round, whatever, you know, but I'm gonna cover it up. And then, you know, our wheelbarrows, actually I have a couple different kinds, and that's one thing actually I need to figure out. Is we've had this old Cobalt one for almost 5 years, works fine, so I bought 2 of their heavy duty ones. I've had people tell me they absolutely hate them. I've had people tell me they love them. Lowe's is 5 minutes away, so I got them. And then we have these wheelbarrows, Groundworks. You can see the new one to the old one. I mean, they last. The problem is the wheels, they get flat over the winter, but that's one thing we got to look into, is a real heavy duty type wheelbarrow. But guys, that's pretty much the video. Like I said, someone asked where what that area was back there. It's just some type of 80% dry storage for tools, things that should be out of the weather and I'm able to get out of the weather. I mean, I wouldn't put any equipment in here because it's not 100% dry, but like I said, guys, it is what it is. If you have any questions, comments, please let me know. Like I said, that's where we store everything. Old blade sharpening station here with some stuff, blown up equipment down there, little storage type stuff, wheelbarrows on the side. You know, you got to get creative in this kind of work, and that's what we do. You know, we get creative with what we got. So once again, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, comment. It helps with the algorithm and all that. We're trying to get a lot of videos out here during the off season. So thanks for watching.